how to update your DeepSeek AI app. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your DeepSeek AI application. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the DeepSeek AI application on your iPhone or Android. I'm using iPhone, but the steps are similar on Android as well. So once you open your DeepSeek AI application, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So you got to click on these two lines over here at the top left. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see all of your recent chats and also your profile over here. So you got to click on your profile at the bottom left. So once you click on that, you'll be redirected to your profile settings. So here you'll be able to see an option that says check for updates. So you can just click on it, and once you click on that, you can see that here it is saying that you are already on the latest version of DeepSeek AI. But however, if your application is not updated, you can just click on check for updates, and DeepSeek AI app will start updating itself automatically. And there's also another step to update your DeepSeek AI application. For that, you gotta head over to your Google Play Store or your App Store. Now over here, I'm in my App Store. So what you gotta do is click on search over here and go to the search bar, search for DeepSeek and press search. And if your app is not updated, you'll be able to see an update option over here. So you can just click on that button, and once the app is updated, you can just enjoy the updated version of the application. So that was how you can update DeepSeek AI application. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.